Everybody, Brian here. I want to show you a couple of features on Finviz. This is the free version that you see right here, and this is their homepage, finviz.com. What I want to point out is something they recently added, which is great, that a lot of softwares don't have. And, the problem is there is no perfect software platform out there. None of them seem to have everything that we want to have. So if we look at a friend was telling me about this stock, Mind Medicine, because he thought because RFK was going to get appointed that it might work, and it's got a good chart. So I was looking at it, and with the free version, of course, you get these ads that pop up. But when you look at it, here's what pulls up on the homepage. What's most interesting to me is something that they added recently, which is right here, short interest. If you click on that, what happens? You get rid of the ads, and then you can see down here they have the short percent of short float. So that is 37%, and this is the short interest ratio. The short interest ratio has gone down, not because the short number has gone down, but because volume has declined. So short interest ratio is always a little bit tricky. Now the thing here is they show the table below that you can see as of January 31st, 2025, that's when there were 27.23 million shares short, and that is right now. You can see it's right here. What I have suggested to them and told them that they're displaying this wrong, and most companies do display it wrong, is that that's not the current short interest ratio. We don't know what the current short position is. We know what the short position is as of January 31st. What it should look like is this. What I did is simply took this chart and cut this, copied it, and put it up here. What we're looking at right here is this is as of January 31st. So that's when we saw, and I guess I didn't line it up properly, but it should be moved over. This line should end right here basically at this point. That's just a little bit of an annoyance in the representation, because things, we don't get the short interest data for about 12 days, I think it is. Anyways, it's just not current and up to date. They've also made some other changes here. They gave me a free subscription so that I can look at it and show people is obviously what they want me to do. So let's see, where did that go? Let's get rid of this. And let's get rid of this. So here is the premium version. So the premium version, when you see this, they just added this today. And just like the symbol on TradingView, they've just added an anchored volume weighted average price. So I can click on that and put one off of that peak. I can click it again and put it right here off of this low, for instance. It's pretty dull in there. I haven't played around with it yet. I don't know how to change the colors. Edit style. I guess maybe this is there. There we go. Width, and we can make it a different color. So there you go. So there's your anchored VWAP from that peak over there. That resistance is holding a support. It just rallied up on big volume, consolidating on light volume, and it's got a big short position. So again, we go to short interest right here, and you can see there are 37.5% of the float is short. Anyways, this is Finviz. You've seen me do screening on this before. I've done some of those earnings surprise screens a month or so ago, but I just wanted to point this out to you. Even if you don't buy the subscription, it doesn't matter to me. By the way, I do have an affiliate. I will get paid. It's basically peanuts. I have an affiliate because I want people to click on that link, and then I can tell them, listen, I've gotten you business. Now fix your software. Get it so that this is displayed accurately. It's not a big thing, but it's a technicality that needs to be fixed. And by the way, any money I do make off of this relationship with them, I'm going to put to the charity One Tree Planted, which is the same charity that all of the Alpha Trend swag profits go to.